If you only want your Google Ads to run at particular times of the day, you've come to the right place, because in today's video, we're going to show you how to do just that. To complete the process of setting up your Google Ads on a schedule, you just need to be logged into your Google Ads Manager. From there, we want to navigate over to the Campaigns section and click on it so we can identify the campaign we want to set on a particular schedule. We will click on the campaign, and then from here we want to navigate to the left-hand menu bar and click on Audiences, Keywords and Content until we see the drop-down section. We will want to navigate down until we see Ad Schedule down at the bottom and then click on it. This is the dashboard where we can begin setting up an ad schedule so that our ads only run at particular times of the day. We've currently got it defaulted at the moment with Google Ads for all times of the day. But let's say that we want to change that. So to get started with it, we want to click on the blue pencil button and click on it until it appears with the Edit Your Schedule section. And from here, we want to identify the days and times in which we want our ads to run. So if you run a standard 9 to 5 business operation, or you want to have set hours, you can click on all days, Mondays to Fridays, Saturdays to Sundays, and so on. You can customize it either day by day or with set blocks for the weekdays and weekends. So let's say we only want our ads to run from Mondays to Fridays. So click on the 12 a.m. one, navigate down to the time in which you want your ads to first start appearing in front of people. Let's say that time is 9 o'clock in the morning. And once we have done that, we can go to the next part, which is when we want our ads to stop showing during the day. Let's keep on scrolling down until we find our finishing time for the day, which in this example, let's say is 5:30 p.m. Click on it. Now we want to click on the Save button down below, and you can see now that these ads are only set to appear from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. That's fantastic. Let's say though you want to do some customization on Saturday and Sunday, for example. We can click on the blue Add button, and for an individual day, let's say Saturday, let's just say that we work just in the morning. We can now have a second section where our ad on Saturday only begins showing at 9 a.m. in the morning, and let's say we only work a half day on Saturday, 12 p.m. We've now got the schedule running from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and we can click on the Save button. And once that has been done, you can now see that we have got our Monday to Friday schedule as well as our Saturday schedule. So, if you want to remove the schedule for a particular time and day, we want to just navigate over to the cross button next to the time and day in which the ad is running and click on that button until it is removed. Once that has been done, we can click on the Save button. So that defaults it back to just the standard setup we have originally set up, which is for the ads to run from Monday to Friday. Now the great thing is you can always add that particular day back in if you want. So that is a really cool feature. The other thing too, if you're used to 24-hour clocks, you can always click on the three dots here and change it over. So that's all there is to it, to setting up your Google Ads to run on a schedule. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit that like button down below and have a fantastic day, everybody.